shall remain mingo, sir.
Very good.
Please hope people enjoy the meal.
Yeah, very well.
Thank you.
No, boss. I'll do it, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Our wife. You are blessed, eh?
Okay.
I am a dog.
Yes, sir.
Bros, me go.
Wando.
Bros, me go.
Bros, me go.
Wando. Osharina, you get for better thing, no?
Bros. I left the family now.
Oh no, go and those my clothes when they are top bed. Now I will go work tomorrow.
Okay, Bros.
Okay.
Bros, me go.
Wando.
Me go, bro.
Walk on down, join together. Let no man put us on down. Walk on down, join together. Let no man put us on down.
But what is this now? So you guys are in the parlor when you are not kids, adults, and everywhere is looking messy like this. It's looking untidy. You throw pillow on the floor. Pillow is supposed to be on the chair. You put all mess up everywhere. So imagine I'm with visitors. This is what they will see. Even you, big boss, just spread, put your leg on the chair, dirty my chair anyhow. What's that?
No, are you mad?
What?
No, are you mad? Eh? You get me a call up to you, my own senior brother at the watch. You don't crazy? Who give you that right for this house? The person that just married who never reach a motto. You don't show a character. If I served you,
You want be your brother wife?
make sure they don't accept for.
No. They forbid for Robo. Not touch her. If you sit down.
See, that time you were mentioning was then. Now that I am married into this house and my 2 feet are planted, it is time to change some things. What is it now? You don't need to do anything in my house. All you do is wake up, eat my food, sit on my chair, watch my TV. Even your room, you don't need to do anything. Plate you not wash, floor you no more.
You dey expect me, we, none of us wash plate for you for this house. In my father's house, e no go better for you. You see this rubbish, if you happen again, I go beat you and the husband no go do anything.
I don't blame people at all. It's my husband I blame. In the name of family man, packing everybody, elder brother, younger brother, everybody just did the house. I don't have privacy. I'm not even enjoying my marriage. Everybody just pack food with nonsense, baby, wey full everywhere.
You dey very stupid.
Nonsense.
See this one wey be like Uncle Fisher. Call and talk to me for my past.
Calm down.
If only me I beat this girl, me I beat her. If her husband come in, tell her.
Babe, enough is enough. I'm tired of complaining the same thing over and over again. I can't stay with these grown-up men you call your brothers. Please, I don't know how you want to do it. Let them leave. Make them leave this house.
Nobody is leaving this house. This house belongs to me, to all of us, alright? I built this house in my late father's name. And the reason was because there was no way I could defend the source of my income. I was doing streets. So I built this house with my father and nobody's living here. We grew up together. They are my blood.
I don't care how you do it. Make them leave. What is it now? Marriage over many months old here. I can't even enjoy myself. I'm not having privacy in my marriage. The other day I want to go to the kitchen to prepare food. That's why it has been for a while now. I have to put on long trousers and button up shirts just to enter the kitchen to prepare meal. I can't even dress sexy for my husband. I can't even express my sexual pleasure. I can't mourn because of grown-up men everywhere. What's all this now?
Nobody is leaving this house. They are my brothers.
Oh, I see how it is. Since you prefer your brother, you love them more than me. Go ahead and marry them. As for me, I am closing up here and leaving this marriage. I can't stay in a marriage whereby they will beat me today and now I want to beat me tomorrow. Is that not if Ferret is down this afternoon I want to beat me? In the presence of your elder brother, that one did nothing. If you want to beat me,
If he raised his hand on you, if I wanted to beat you today in my own house,
You lie! I said you lie! How dare you! Telling us to leave our father's house! This house is not our father! You don't have the right to tell us to leave this house!
can you even listen to yourself? No, can you listen to yourself? The house that this small boy built with his hard-earned money, simply because I built it in Papa's name, you are dragging my property with me. Let me tell you, you are leaving this house and that's on period type shit.
Shut up there! Shut up! See, you are too small. See, you are like this. You are too small to say this thing that's coming out from your mouth. Imagine you, small boy, the last one of this family, talking to your elders like that.
Imagine.
With so much disrespect. See, you are overdoing, no.
Solo, we know fully well that you built the house with your money. But the property is on Papa's name. So as the senior son and the senior son of this family, automatically the house belongs to me.
Yes.
It's my inheritance.
Yes.
You and your wife, you are the one to leave the house.
Efia, bra you lie. Efia wo guru. What I was you? Bra you look who live my house. Look yes, you live my house. The guy my woman. The guy staff when I will